Hello everyone. Today I would like to present my research entitled Improving Student Speaking and Writing Skills Through Picture-Based Activities at SD Negeri Tugu 4. And this research is focused on how picture-based activities can help elementary school students improve their speaking and writing skills in English. So before starting the presentation, I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Nabila Pipin Binasti, and I am from the English Literature Department. And in this presentation, I will explain the background, research questions, theoretical framework, analysis, discussion, conclusion, documentation, and references of my research. The first one, I have background of the study. So basically, English is an important subject because it helps students develop communication skills, especially speaking and writing. Based on my observation at SD Negeri Tugu 4, many fifth grade students still had difficulties in speaking and writing English due to limited vocabulary, low confidence, and lack of engaging learning media. So therefore, I use picture-based activities to help students understand vocabulary, generates their ideas, and express themselves more easily in English. Next, uh, the reason for choosing the title and the topic. So simply, the title was chosen because pictures are simple, attractive, and effective visual media for elementary school students. And I selected this topic because many students still show weakness in speaking and writing English. So their limited vocabulary and low confidence often prevented them from expressing their ideas effectively. Next, the reason for choosing the research objects and the problems I found. So I choose grade 5th students of SD Negeri Tugu 4 because they often experience difficulties in producing simple English sentence. So the main problem found were limited vocabulary, low confidence, difficulty developing ideas, less engaging learning media, and low learning motivation. Next, this is the research question. So this study aims to answer 4 research questions regarding the improvement of speaking English, writing skills, students' response toward pictures, and the effect of picture on students' participation and motivation. This is the description of a research object. I have a research object, research media, and the reason why I choosing the media. So simply, this research was conducted in grade 5th of SD Negeri Tugu 4 and involved 32 students, and the media I use is include flashcard, LCD projector, laptop, worksheets, whiteboard, and markers. So these visual media were selected because they are attract students. They attract students' attention and facilitate vocabulary learning. Next. This is the research objectives and benefits. This is research objectives. So for this slide, the objective of this study are to improve vocabulary mastery, pronunciation accuracy, sentence constructions, speaking ability, writing ability, confidence, and classroom participation through picture-based activities. And then there is benefits for student and benefit for teacher. So this research provide benefits for student and teachers because the student can improve vocabulary, speaking confidence, writing ability, motivation, and participation. And for the teacher can use visual media as an alternative strategy to create a more effective and enjoyable learning environment. Next, theoretical framework. So the theoretical framework is based on the assumption that picture-based activities can improve speaking and writing skills by providing visual stimuli that support vocabulary acquisition, ideas development, and participation, and confidence. And then picture-based activities. So picture-based activities are learning activities that use pictures and visual media to help students understand vocabulary, connect concepts, generate ideas, and participate actively in the learning process. Next, speaking skill. So, speaking is the ability to communicate ideas and information orally. So, according to Brown, speaking involves vocabulary, fluency, pronunciation, and comprehension. So, many elementary students still struggle in this aspect. Next, writing skill. So, writing skills is the ability to express ideas in the written form. So, it requires vocabulary mastery, sentence construction, and idea development. So, the visual media can help students generate and organize ideas more effectively. Next, the relationship between pictures and speaking and writing. So, previous studies show that pictures and flashcards positively influence vocabulary mastery, participation, confidence, speaking performance, and writing development. So, therefore, picture-based activities are expected to support students in expressing ideas both orally and in written form. Next, this is the analysis and discussion. The first one is analysis of the phenomenon. So, initial observations revealed that many students lacked confidence, had difficulty generating ideas, and rarely participate in English learning activities. So, to address this challenge, I implemented picture-based activities using pictures, videos, flashcards, and worksheets. And then this is the discussion based on the research question. Questions number one is how can pictures improve student speaking skill? And then how can pictures improve student writing skill? So, pictures improve student speaking skills by providing visual context and helping them understand vocabulary more easily. And pictures also improve writing skills because students could generate ideas and construct simply sentence based on visual stimuli. Next, what were the students' response toward the use of pictures, and can pictures increase students' participation and motivation? So basically, students show positive response toward the use of pictures and they become more enthusiastic, focused, and interested in learning activities. And then pictures also increase students' participation and motivation during classroom learning. Next, classroom action research. So this study used classroom action research or CAR, which consists of 4 stages: planning, acting, observing, and reflecting. CAR was used to evaluate the effectiveness of picture-based activities. This is a CAR cycle, planning and acting. So simply in the planning stage, I prepare lesson plans, of course, visual media, worksheets, and assessment instruments. In the acting stage, I implemented picture-based activities through lessons on kinds of jobs and describing animals. Next, observing and reflecting. In the observing stage, students' participation, vocabulary use, speaking performance, and writing ability were observed. And in the reflecting stage, the collected data were analyzed to evaluate strengths and weakness and improve future teaching practice. And then action plan research and result. So the action plan focused on introducing vocabulary through visual media, providing pronunciation practice, encouraging speaking activities, and guiding students in writing simple sentence. And the result is show improvement in confidence, participation, speaking, and writing skills. Next. This is the research findings. So the findings indicate that picture-based activities improve students' vocabulary mastery, confidence, participation, speaking performance, and writing ability. And students also show greater enthusiasm toward learning English. And then I have the limitation. So basically, this study was limited to one class, a small number of meetings and specific topics, and therefore the result cannot be generalized to all contexts without further research. And the recommendation is future research are encouraged to conduct longer studies with more participants and different learning topics, and the teacher are also encouraged to integrate visual media into English learning activities. So the conclusion is picture-based activities were effective in supporting the development of speaking and writing skills among grade 5th students at SD Negeri Tugu 4. And the visual media helps students understand vocabulary, generate ideas, and participate more actively in learning. This is the micro-teaching meeting 1. So, in meeting 1, the topic was kind of jobs. Students learn job vocabulary through picture and videos, practice pronunciation, complete worksheets, and create a simple sentence, and they actively participate in discussion and classroom activities. For the meeting 2, meeting 2, the topic was describing animals. Students learn animals vocabulary using flashcard and visual media, and they practice pronunciation, describe animals orally, and wrote simple sentence based on the picture. Next, these slides contains documentation of classroom activities during the implementation of teacher-based activities. So the documentation will show students participating in discussion, vocabulary practice, speaking activities, and worksheet completion. Ada nggak contohnya yang tadi aku baru jelasin selain dulu ada nggak? So that's all, and this is the reference used in the study include books, journal articles, and previous research related to speaking skills, writing skills, visual media, flashcard, and picture-based activities. And this source support the theoretical framework and findings on the study. In conclusion, this research show that picture-based activities can improve students' speaking and writing skills while increasing motivation and participation in the classroom. And I hope this study can provide useful insight for English teaching and learning. And thank you for watching this video until the end. See you the next video. Bye-bye.